Physical inactivity is paired with health consequences such as chronic diseases like diabetes and cardiovascular disease, as well as obesity and other ailments. Not controlling blood sugar levels through physical inactivity could result in high blood sugar levels, which could lead to a plethora of complications tied to diabetes, including slow wound healing, glaucoma, increased thirst, and more. According to the CDC, individuals who are less physically active and less fit have a greater risk of developing high blood pressure. This in turn could lead to health issues including prevalence of cardiovascular disease, chronic high blood pressure, and stroke. Obesity leads to a multitude of complications including chronic diseases, sleep apnea, or other forms of breathing problems, bone and joint pain, body pain, or difficulty with physical functioning. Lack of physical activity is also tied to added feelings of anxiety and depression.